Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll watch a short and simple story about two university students, Ken and Mina, who decide to cook together at home. At first, everything seems fine, but little mistakes begin to happen, and those small mistakes turn into big trouble. Don't worry, all the English is slow and easy, so please relax and enjoy the story. And before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. This will help you improve your English listening skills. So here is today's question. What mistake does Ken make when he adds the seasoning? The answer is clearly mentioned in the story. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
Hey, Mina. Let's cook something today.
That sounds good. What are you making?
I want to make fried rice. It's my favorite.
Oh, fried rice. I like that too.
It looks easy. We just need rice, eggs, and some vegetables.
Do you have everything?
Yes, I think so. Let me check.
Okay, I can help you.
Thanks. That's nice of you.
No problem. Cooking together is fun.
I agree. Let's start.
First, we need to cut the vegetables.
I'll do that. You can cook the eggs.
Sounds good. Where is the frying pan?
It's in that cabinet, the one on the left.
I found it. Thanks.
I think it's fine. This will be easy.
I hope so.
Okay, I'm adding the seasoning now.
Be careful with the amount.
I know, just a little salt.
Let me taste it.
Sure, here you go.
This tastes strange.
Really? What do you mean?
It tastes sweet. Very sweet.
Sweet? That's impossible. I used salt.
Ken, look at this. What is this?
It says, oh no.
Is this sugar?
Yes, it's sugar, not salt.
You used sugar instead of salt.
Oh, I see. They look the same.
No, they don't. Sugar is in a bigger container.
I didn't notice. I'm sorry.
It's okay, but we can't eat this now.
I think it's fine. Maybe it still tastes okay.
Ken, it's sweet fried rice. That's not okay.
You're right. That sounds bad.
Let's throw this away and start over.
Okay, I'm sorry we wasted the rice.
That's fine. Everyone makes mistakes.
You're very kind. Thank you.
Next time, read the label first.
I will, I promise. Okay, let's try again. This time, I used salt.
Good. I'll watch you this time.
The rice is cooking. It smells good.
Yes, it does. By the way, how was your class today?
Oh, it was interesting. We learned about Japanese history.
That sounds nice. I like history too.
Really? Maybe we can study together sometime.
That would be... Wait, Ken, do you smell that?
Smell what?
Something is burning. It smells bad.
Oh no, the rice.
Quick, turn down the heat.
I did, but look at this.
The food is burned. It's all black.
I think it's fine. Maybe we can still eat it?
No, Ken, it's completely burned. We can't eat this.
Okay, you're right. Again.
We were talking too much.
I forgot to watch the pan. I'm sorry again.
It's okay, but we need to be careful.
You're right. Let me clean this up.
This pan is a mess. Let's use another one.
I think we have another one somewhere.
Let's find it and try again.
Third time is the charm, right?
I hope so. Haha.
Okay, I found another pan. Let's start again.
Wait, we need more vegetables first.
Oh, you're right. Let me cut some more.
Be careful with the knife. You look tired.
I'm fine, don't worry.
Okay, but take your time.
I need to hurry. We've wasted so much time already.
Ken, slow down.
Ouch!
What happened?
I cut my finger with the knife.
Oh no, let me see.
It hurts. It really hurts.
Show me your hand.
Here. Is it bad?
It's bleeding, but it's not too bad.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's a small cut. Don't worry.
It feels bigger than that.
That's normal. Cuts on fingers always hurt a lot.
What should I do?
First, wash it with water.
Okay, like this?
Yes, good. Now we need a bandage.
There's one in the drawer over there.
I found it. Hold still.
Ouch. Be gentle, please.
Sorry. There, all done.
Thank you. You're like a nurse.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better. Thank you, Mina.
You're welcome, but please be more careful.
I will. I was trying to hurry too much.
Yes, that's dangerous. Slow is safe.
You're right. I learned my lesson. Okay, my finger is fine now. Let's continue cooking.
Are you sure you can cook with your finger like that?
Yes, I can. The bandage is protecting it.
Okay, the pan is on the stove. I turned on the heat.
Thanks. Let me add the oil.
Not too much oil, okay?
I know.
Let me help with your finger. Is the bandage still on?
Yes, but it's a little loose. Can you fix it?
Sure. Come here.
Thanks. You're really helpful today.
That's what friends are for.
Ouch, not so tight.
Sorry. Is this better?
Yes, that's... Wait, do you smell something?
Smell what?
Something is... Oh no, look at the pan.
Ken, it's on fire.
What? Fire?
The oil is burning. There's fire in the pan.
Oh no, I think I added too much oil.
And the heat was too high. We left it too long.
What do I do?
Calm down. Turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove. Okay.
Hurry, do it now.
I'm trying. Which one is it?
The one on the right. Push it.
Got it. I turned it off.
Good. Now don't move the pan.
Why not? Should I put water on it?
No, never put water on an oil fire.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, water makes it worse. Much worse.
Then what do we do?
Cover it with a lid. Be careful.
A lid. Okay, here.
Good. Put it on the pan, slowly and carefully.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now wait.
Is the fire going out?
Yes, fire needs air to burn. The lid stops the air.
Oh, I see. That's smart.
The fire is out now. We're safe.
Oh, thank goodness. I can't believe that happened.
I know, that was really scary.
My heart is still beating so fast.
Mine too, but it's okay now.
Thanks to you. You saved us.
I was scared too. I just remembered what to do.
How did you know about the lid?
I learned it in school, in a safety class.
I should pay more attention in class.
Yes, you should.
Are you okay? You're not hurt, right?
I'm fine. How about you? How's your finger?
It still hurts a little, but I'm okay.
I'm glad you're okay. I was worried.
I'm glad you're okay too.
Today was really something.
Yes, sugar instead of salt, burned food, a cut finger, and then fire.
When you say it like that, it sounds terrible.
Because it was terrible.
But we learned a lot today.
Yes, we did. Read labels carefully, watch the stove, don't hurry with a knife.
And never put water on an oil fire.
That's the most important one.
Yes, it is. That could be very dangerous.
Mina, thank you for everything today.
You're welcome, Ken. That's what friends do.
Let's be more careful next time.
Yes, let's. But maybe we should order food tonight.
That's a great idea. I agree.
No more cooking for today.
No more cooking. Let's rest.
And maybe tomorrow we can try again.
Maybe, but I'll be very, very careful.
Promise?
I promise. Cross my heart.
Good. I'm holding you to that.
Today was a crazy day.
Yes, it was, but we're safe. That's what matters.
You're right, and that's thanks to you.
And now we have a funny story to tell.
A scary and funny story.
Let's go order some food. I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's go.
And Ken,
Yes?
next time I'm doing the cooking. You can watch.
That's probably a good idea.
I know it is. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What mistake does Ken make when he adds the seasoning? The answer was in the story. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in English in the comments. Even a short sentence is perfect practice and helps you build confidence step by step. On this channel, I share short stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening, understand real-life situations, and stay calm when trouble happens. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And before we finish, just one more small thing. I also have a channel membership. If this video helped or encouraged you, I would be very happy if you joined the membership. You can join by clicking the Join button next to the subscribe button below this video. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!